I am very much knowing Rahul Gandhi. I am Indrani Nondi, ex-employee of Aegon Life. Rahul Gandhi, good friend of mine. That's why my and Rahul Gandhi prepare one plan for India and other country. India now Aegon Life will be government and now it's a private 50% private stake and 50% government stake, and after budget declared of 2019, Aegon Life is a totally government. I am CEO of Aegon Life. Request to every citizen of India, invest Aegon Life for 80C and after maturity 1010D deduction. I had done 2020 1st of Feb budget declared 20 lakhs for 80C and health 80D 15 lakhs, and it is only for Aegon Life also declared 2019, and this year every company has to be done, every company 1010D and 80C. If anybody like Aegon Life, go with Aegon Life. It is fully governmented, and I declared this year HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, fully government bank, and one bank declared by my name, Indrani Bank, help of Reserve Bank license. It's a totally Swiss bank type bank. Aegon all employee contact with HR Tapan Gupta. If anybody has no number Tapan Gupta, contact with me and search from LinkedIn account of Tapan Gupta's. Nowadays India is a booming market. Connect with lots of countries, connect with America, connect with Russia, and Japan, Singapore also, Australia also, Canada separate and England separate, and our head office Netherlands, Hague, very big country. For insurance, touchwood, if anybody dies, then and there your claim settlement, then and there claim settlement fast. Aegon Life fast for item and health policy and child policy. Aegon Life has good, very much good. It's a if I am parents of someone after died, first or second year premium I had done, and third year I died. From third years to term years, company will pay all the your premiums. It is called premium waiver, and after maturity his wife then and there took all the money from companies, Aegon Life Best for Child policy also. Aegon pension generated company, whole world pension generated by Aegon Life. Aegon Bank very much famous in Netherlands. I also every document submitted for Reserve Bank for Aegon Bank with the help of World Bank. It is fully Swiss or World Bank related. Aegon CEO very much good relation with me. My husband also Aegon Life employee, nowadays director of Aegon Life. Ex-director good Harshal Shah with good relation with me. Ex-employee of Citibank. Rajiv Jamkhetkar, my ex-CEO, ex-employee of Citibank. I am right now ING Baisha and HR calling me for CEO of Aegon. I agree with him, but I am not here. That's why I am for Aegon Bank. Right now proposal from Aegon Life CEO from India and or other offer from Netherlands, CEO of Aegon Bank, and mark their president good relation with one of my friend Canadian Prime Minister. Salary very much high. I am agree with Aegon Life and all the employee and all the citizen. Please connect with your nearest branch Aegon Life because lots of hiring or vacancies for every citizen has pending. Aegon Life very good company. You everybody connect with Tapan Gupta.